Now that you know how to get your instrument out of your case and how to sit properly with it, I will show you how to get a sound on it. First thing you're going to need is, we're going to start with our mouthpiece, which is this piece here. I'm going to pull it out, and in order to get a sound on the horn, you have to buzz your lips. So first thing is you want to make sure they're a little bit wet, and what you do is you say the letter M, and a buzz is when you push your lips together and blow air through them. It will sound like this. That's much more challenging to do just on your lips. It's easier if you use the mouthpiece. The way you shape your lips to make a sound on the French horn, this is called our embouchure. We're going to use that word a lot, embouchure. It means how we shape our lips to get a sound on an instrument. The French horn embouchure is formed to take your mouthpiece sort of like you're holding a teacup, so no pressure. You place it against your lips, and what you're going to do is make sure it's in the center and basically centered on your top lip. And the edge of your bottom lip is going to match up with the edge, the bottom edge of the mouthpiece. So it looks like this. Sort of M, and I place my mouthpiece. More on top than on bottom. I take a breath, and I buzz. Sort of sounds like a duck. What I want you to do for 1 minute every day this week is make it sound like a siren. I want you to experiment with that buzz going up and down. So start with a plain buzz. And once you get that, try a siren, which sounds like this. And when you run out of air, take a breath, try another one. I'm going to see if I can make mine go higher than I did the first time. Just experiment with that and see how you do. What I'm doing to make the sound go higher is I'm blowing my air faster, and I'm firming my corners a little more as I go up, and then I just relax as I go down. Now I think after you've done a siren, you're ready to try your first note. So you put the mouthpiece back in the horn, set up your posture, hand is flat inside the bell, put it on your right knee, lower your knee until you get the mouthpiece to your lips. And your first note is going to be called a C, and it sounds like this. Thank you. A C is fingered on the French horn with no fingers at all. So you've got your left hand, the thumb is in this little hook here, and your pinky is in this hook here, and your 3 fingers each get one of the vowels. But you're not going to push those for a C. So this is what C sounds like. Place your embouchure. More on the top lip than on the bottom. Got the sound of that note in my ear. I take a breath. You try it. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to do another one. You may get a different note. Even though you weren't pushing any buttons, you may get some higher pitches. You may get of different pitches you can play without pushing any buttons, and you're aiming for the lowest one for right now. Here it is one more time. And that's a C.